How to see your Reels analytic on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to see your Reels analytic on Instagram. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Instagram. Now, to have this option, you should have a business or professional account. To do that, click on those three lines, click on setting, click on account, scroll down and click on switch to a professional account. Now after that, click on your reel and click on those 3 points and click on the second before the last, view insight. Now they're gonna show up all your reel analytic, likes, viewed, comments, share, who has saved your video, and account reached, anything. And this is it. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.